Show you how to fix a Fitbit Versa 4 that has a black screen. Now I'm going to give you a couple easy fixes right now, but this is only going to help probably like maybe 70%, maybe 65% of you guys, okay? So first thing is note that this one here is actually fixed, but we're going to pretend that we have a black screen here, okay? Next thing is you want to make sure that it's actually on. So if you press and hold the side button here, you should feel it vibrate, okay? Press and hold. I just felt it vibrate again. Okay, so if you feel it vibrate, then I'll show you what to do if you don't feel it vibrate. So if you do feel it vibrate, only you got to do is press and hold this side button and do not let go until you see the Fitbit logo appear, okay? So let's pretend my screen here is black. Here's the side button. I'm going to press and hold. Ready? Now, press and hold, and I'm going to keep on holding. Pretend my screen here is black. I'm just holding onto that side button, waiting for a Fitbit logo to appear. Still holding onto the side button here. Still holding. Okay, Fitbit logo, go ahead and let go and wait like 15 seconds or so for it to boot up from here now. You're going to see like a red X here, don't worry about that though. There it is, just wait. Just wait for it to boot back up. The Fitbit logo will turn back on here. Right there. And voila. Okay, so hopefully now your screen is back on. Now, if your screen is not on, and when you press and hold this, and you let go, and you're able to feel it vibrate, you know that it's on. If it didn't work that first time, try it again. Press and hold that side button. Do not let go until you see the Fitbit logo appear. Try it 5 or 6 times, okay? Now, if it's still down, and also if you press and hold this, and you don't feel it vibrate, then what I want you to do is go ahead and pop it onto the charger. Pop it onto the charger, and as soon as you put it onto the charger, you should hear it vibrate. Okay, pretend my screen here is black still. So anyway, I felt it vibrate. If you didn't feel it vibrate, let it sit there. But either way, pop the charger on there and then leave it there for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, come back, and while it's charging, do the same thing. Press and hold that side button and do not let go until you see the Fitbit logo appear. Okay? If it doesn't work, then let it sit on the charger, wait another 5 minutes, come back and do the same thing again. All right, while it's charging, press and hold this side button. Ready to go. Press and hold. I'm holding it now. It just vibrated. I'm going to continue to hold this side button while it's charging until I see a Fitbit logo appear. Still holding onto that button there. Oh, it just vibrated. I'm still holding though. Where's that Fitbit logo? There it is. Go ahead, let go, and let it boot up normally. And hopefully you guys are up and running now. Now, if you still have a black screen, then what I would suggest, just keep trying all these methods, okay? Just keep on trying. And if it worked for you, please comment in the section. If it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. Like I said, we should have at least maybe a 65%, maybe 70% thumbs up, okay? And there we go, it's back up. Good luck, guys.